So I was driving to go pick up my kids from work, and I thought I would pull over because some thoughts popped into my head. Hey, it's Bill. It's Creative License. Thanks for being a part of my show, and thanks for being nice to my sponsors, people like um, Electro Voice and Promo Only, to name just a couple. Anyway, what went through my mind is something that I've been hearing ever since I got back from Las Vegas. That's right, about a week ago, I got back from the Las Vegas conferences, which would be Photo Booth Expo and DJNTV show. They had them at the South Point Hotel, and they were pretty great. And people wanted to know how'd it go. Was it good? Was it bad? What do you think that next year the Photo Booth Expo people bought Mobile Beat magazine and that they're going to move it to February and blah, 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 blah. Well, what do I think? I think it's great. I think that the people who decided to step up and take on this conference that's been going on for 24 years and keep it going, something that's made such a big difference in the lives of the people that have gone to it, I think is a great thing. What are they going to do with it? How's it going to go? I mean, who knows? I mean, I think that they have the best interest of the DJs at heart. I think that everything that's going to happen is going to happen, and there's going to be good things and bad things. I think people are going to have some problems with it, and I think some people are going to love what they do. What I don't think people should do is to make some sort of a judgment before they go. I don't think that they should be going and then come away with a bunch of negative things that they're going to talk about when you've got a brand new producer taking on an iconic show that, of course, is going to have some problems as they go. I think that having a DJ show in Las Vegas, a big national show, is important. And I think that if it doesn't continue, that the industry will miss it. So what do I think? I think that we should all go to it. I think that we should buy tickets for it every year. I think that regardless of whether you think that the speakers are any good or there's going to be any fun going on there or anything, I think you should buy a ticket to the Mobile Beat Conference every single year. And you should go and support these people that have decided to put their time and energy into promoting this wonderful thing we get to do every week for friends and colleagues and people in bars and people at weddings. I mean, we get the greatest job in the world. And why wouldn't we regularly, once a year, get together and celebrate that? That's really what the Mobile Beat Conference is supposed to be about, if you ask me. Getting together and celebrating each other and celebrating the work that we do and celebrating the job that we have and the things we do every day and sharing ideas and sharing each other's successes and failures. I mean, come on, where else do we get to do that? It's the reason I go every year. And the reason that I still have this belief that the DJ industry has not yet hit its peak. You know what I mean? It still has not grown to its potential. And if we don't regularly get together and encourage each other to do that, I think that would be a bad thing. So what do I think? I think buy your ticket for next year right now. Start buying tickets for Photo Booth Expo and for the DJNTV show, which is now going to be called Mobile Beat. I think that if that's not a conference you're going to go to another one. I go to 2 and 3 of them a year. Okay. There's another one coming up here in a week. Mobile Beat, their last show under Ryan Berger, that's happening in Las Vegas. I'm going to be there. Are you? Are you going to come look for me? After that, we're all going to go to Milwaukee in April for the Milwaukee show, the Midwest DJs live show. Why aren't you going? You should be going. This is just one of those things, it's not about whether you get your return on investment. Trust me, if you go and you get involved, the return on investment is going to be way more than you put into it. I promise. What do you think of this? Put the notes do you think of this below. Tell me I'm full of it if you want to. Or jump in the bandwagon. Make me the bandwagon. Come along to the show. Until next time, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time.